Hello, and welcome to our mini lectures with PowerPoint slides course. This course is for English level B1 to C2, that's intermediate to advanced. It's a 10 to 12 hour course made up of 10 lessons, with each lesson being about 1 hour in length. There is vocabulary building, 3 to 4 minute lectures, PowerPoint note-taking, comprehension questions, answers and transcripts. This is what you will learn on the course, and these are the key concepts. The course consists of 10 lessons. Each lesson includes a digital lesson booklet to download. These are the topics. So let's look at the course. Each lesson follows the same format. We'll look at lesson 6, Big Data. Task 1 starts with 4 or 5 questions on the topic. Task 2 is a vocabulary check of 20 to 25 words that are used in the lecture. There is also a reference list section where you should look at the sources used. Task 3 is the 4 PowerPoint slides. You should take your time to study these slides. Task 4 is watching the lecture. You should have your slides ready to take notes on. The lecture is a narrated
Data protection
PowerPoint.
and privacy not only involve how data is retrieved, but also how it is stored, shared, and later put to use.
Task 5 is the comprehension questions. You use your notes to answer the questions. These 2 tabs are answers and the transcript. Task 6 is post-lecture tasks. These help you to explore the subject in more detail. This is a top quality academic English course written by University Academic English Tutors. Thank you.